So at the end of the metaphase stage, the cell will now proceed to the next stage known as the anaphase stage. So under the anaphase stage, there are four main events that we will discuss at this point, in which the first event was actually shown in our presentation. Okay? So observe carefully the illustration for our chromosomes. So as you notice, in our illustration, the sister chromatids separate from one another. Okay? So that is the main event for the anaphase stage. The sister chromatids, or let's say the two sister chromatids of each pair, are separated, forming daughter chromosomes. Okay? So take note with our new vocabulary term. Once the sister chromatids separate from one another, they will be known as daughter chromosomes. Okay? So the separation of the sister chromatids will lead to the formation of daughter chromosomes. So in this case, we have daughter chromosomes. And for the second event, take a look about the movement of these daughter chromosomes. They move towards where? Okay, that's right. The daughter chromosomes move towards the opposite poles. Okay? So the daughter chromosomes begin moving toward the opposite poles of the cell. And as they move towards the opposite poles, what can you say about the length of the microtubule? Okay, as compared to the previous examples. So as you notice, the microtubules become shorter, okay, when it comes to its length. So the kinetochore microtubules, or let's say those microtubules that are attached to the kinetochore, become shorter when it comes to its length. And finally, when it comes to its size, as the sister chromatids, or let's say the daughter chromosomes, move towards the opposite pole, and the kinetochore microtubule becomes shorter, then what will happen to the shape of the cell? So that is, the cell elongates. Okay? So these are the four main events under the anaphase stage. So let's try to review the anaphase stage. Number 1, the separation of sister chromatids forming daughter chromosomes. Then next, we have the daughter chromosomes move towards the opposite pole. Third, the kinetochore microtubule becomes shorter when it comes to its length. And finally, as they move away from each other, the cell elongates. And that marks the end of the anaphase stage.